Hey everyone, welcome to Geonaz once again and welcome to another vlog. So in this vlog I'm going to explore the Grand Canyon of Switzerland, Creux with a Swiss Muslim hike. So I'm super excited because this is my first hike with a Swiss Muslim hike or SMH. So you can see I am here in Lausanne train station and it takes 1 hour 15 minutes to reach to Neuchâtel from Lausanne, and from Neuchâtel the actual hike starts. So it's a long hike, 14 kilometers of long track, and it takes 5 hours to complete. So I'm super excited, and I have a train from Lausanne train station at 9:15 and I have now 5 minutes left. So let's go and catch the train for Neuchâtel, and then from there let's begin the hike. So let's go and let's start the vlog. So let's go. So here you can see the train is at platform number 5 towards St. Gallen at 9:15. So let's go this way. Okay, so this is the train and I need to change the train at Neuchâtel. So let's go. Okay, so reached here at Neuchâtel, and from here I need to take another train for Neuchâtel. It will take another 15 minutes to reach to Neuchâtel. From there the actual hike starts. So yeah, let's go to take the next train. Okay, so I just reached to the final station, Neuchâtel. From here the hike starts, and I met the group, the Swiss Muslim hike group, and you can see this is a big group.
Hikes was never about the hike, it was about the people, and that's the only reason we grew, of course with the barakah and the qadr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And it brings me great pleasure and pride to say that the hike that we're doing today was the same hike that we did around a year ago that gave birth to Swiss Muslim hikes.
So this is the group, and we have 49 people in the group, because the limitation is 50, we cannot go more than 50. Yeah, so super excited to start the hike. So let's go. Okay, so finally we kicked off our hiking, and you can see we have a big group today, like we have 49 attendees. So we will probably distribute the group in 3 sections, and depending on the speed of like hiking. So we'll have one group who will be quite faster, and a medium space group, and the last group would be like quite slower. So you can see we're now going towards up to see the Grand Canyon of Switzerland. So let's go. Okay, so I'm going up and up, though it's not too high and the terrain is not so steep, but still it needs effort and energy to go up, and hopefully on our return it would be much easier to go down. And they have given a nameplate to everyone. Here you can see mine, so this is so cool. Okay, so the actual spot where we want to go is still 1.5 minutes away from where we are standing now. Creux in this way. So let's continue. Okay, so we are now on this narrow track going to the top to see that amazing view of Grand Canyon of Switzerland. So it's a little bit dangerous, but not too, but it's super fun. Can't wait to see the view from the top once we reach there. So let's go. Okay, so this is kind of the most tricky part of this hike. Maybe it's kind of way more dangerous than I thought, but inshallah we'll make it. And once you reach here, somehow you see a nice view. So let's continue. Okay, so I think we have reached to the top to see this amazing view of Creux here in this beautiful place called the Grand Canyon of Switzerland. And it's a sunny day. That's the most happiest thing today. The weather is pretty good and it's kind of an ideal situation for hiking in this kind of environment. So let's go and let's have a look to the Grand Canyon of Switzerland. So let's go. Okay, so after 1 hour 5 minutes of hike from the bottom, we finally reached to the Creux, which is the Grand Canyon of Switzerland, and I'm so excited to show you that. So it's just next to me here. You can see the group is here. Almost everyone has arrived. So there is the Grand Canyon of Switzerland for you guys. This is an amazing view, isn't it? Wow. So walking along this Grand Canyon of Switzerland, Creux is an amazing feeling. It's kind of a paradise for the geography students, particularly the geomorphology students. This is the view just in front of me. I can see the Grand Canyon of Switzerland, Creux, and here is the group. So it's an amazing place to be in Switzerland, like near Lausanne, near Neuchâtel. Okay, so now we are in the other side. So we were on the other side before, and to see the cliff. Now we are at the top of the cliff, and here is the entire group. Okay, so let me show you the cliff from the edge. So this is kind of a bit risky, but this is the edge. From here you can see the cliff. So this is so dangerous things, but okay, so you can see I am at the edge of the cliff and I cannot go beyond that. It's so risky, and I don't know whether you can hear my voice or not. It's so windy. So this is the place. Isn't it amazing? So yeah, it's worthy to visit this place. This is amazing. Okay, so after this amazing view, it's time for lunch. So you can see some people are still taking photos, and here the entire group is having lunch. So now it's time to join them and have lunch together. So there are a lot of other tourists also. They came to see this view, this Grand Canyon of Switzerland, Creux, and it's the lunch time. So let's go. Okay, so it's been a very good time so far. We are enjoying a lot our trip, and as I said at the beginning of my vlog, that this is the very first time I'm joining the Swiss Muslim hike for this this hike event, and I follow them. I follow the Swiss Muslim hike or SMH group on Instagram since I arrived here in Switzerland in September 2020 last year, and since then I follow all of their posts on Instagram about the hikes they did previously. And one thing really attracted me every time, that they don't miss the prayer even during the hike. So now, as you can see behind me, all the group members are preparing for the Zohar prayer, and this is amazing, right? I mean, this is what our life's about, and this is kind of they teach us that no matter wherever you are, you shouldn't miss your prayer. So this is something really attract me, and I really love this fact that they are now preparing for prayer. So this is amazing, and this is something very unique, and this really attract me to attend this group for more hike in the future. So now it's time to attend the Zohar prayer, and I will show you the rest of this hike today after the prayer. So let's go.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so if you are travelers who are gonna make Dhuhr 2 and Asr 2, join and shorten. If you are not a traveler, if you still want to join them because you think you might miss Asr, please do so. If you want to join but still do 4, let us know so that we wait between both prayers.
قد قامت الصلاة قد قامت الصلاة الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله
لا إله إلا الله الله
Do you deserve to get what you dream of? Do you deserve to get your wildest dreams and beyond? Do you think you deserve it? So, I would like first to take a step back to be able to answer that question. What did Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala do for us? Okay, so first of all, He made us the best creature out there. And He says, وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ وَحَمَلْنَاهُمْ فِي الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ وَرَزَقْنَاهُمْ مِنَ الطَّيِّبَاتِ وَفَضَّلْنَاهُمْ عَلَى كَثِيرٍ مِّمَّنْ خَلَقْنَا تَفْضِيلًا. And we have certainly honored the children of Adam and carried them on the land and sea until the end of the verse. For Allah, with the best striving, because He has chosen you. Like us being Muslims in here. This is a great opportunity. Okay? This is a great chance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah is telling us, I have chosen you for that mission. Because
Okay, so the Zohar prayer is over and now we all are heading to the main spot there to take a group photo for SMH. So yeah, we prayed Zohar and then we had a small talk for 10 minutes. So it was good, and now we all are heading to the spot for a group photo. So yeah, super exciting. And after the group photo we will go down to the train station to end the hike. Let's go. Okay, so we all have done now. We prayed, we had a talk, and then we also took some group photos, and everyone already took individual photos. Now it's time to go down to the train station and end the hike. So you can see they have already started going down. Okay, so now we are heading back to the train station in another way. So let's go. So this is an amazing environment. This is the Swiss autumn. So you see these leaves, these yellow leaves, they're gonna fall soon, which means the winter will come. Okay, so just few minutes left to reach to the train station. We are so tired because it was really a long hike. Initially we planned to complete it within 5 hours, but it's already been 8 hours, but we haven't finished yet. So we started our hike at 10:30 and it's now 6 in the evening, almost 8 hours. But hopefully we're gonna end our hike soon in a couple of minutes at the train station. So let's go. Okay, so finally we are here at the place from where we started our journey today. After spending almost 8 hours, we are back now at Neuchâtel. So everyone looks tired.
Pleasure. So I really hope you had a great day, you enjoyed it. It was hard a bit, but mashallah, everyone was so fast. Yeah, we thank you so much. We thank Rana for taking us here. Thank you, Rana. Thank you.
Okay, so that's it about this vlog. As you have seen how we spent a whole day hiking to the top to see the Grand Canyon of Switzerland. And now it's almost 7 o'clock in the evening, so we had a long day, longer than we expected. So finally we have gathered here at the train stations where the hike ends and also the vlog ends. So yeah, that's it about this vlog, and I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed this vlog, then like it and share it with others. And if you haven't subscribed to Geonaz, then make sure to subscribe it to watch the next vlogs. And I will come with another vlog very soon. Until then, take care of yourself. Love you all. Bye.